Hello there! Today we will be making a cheetah. Well, this sounds very interesting. Let's see what do we have in our book. Yes, we see 4 steps right here. And why don't we start drawing this together? At first, we will go ahead with the first step, which is making a circle and then this curved line for its body. We will actually stretch this line a little further for the legs. Yes, the cheetah is leaping and hence we will make it in motion. Make a very light drawing at first so that if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Let's draw this slowly and nicely. This looks very interesting. Start by making the face now. Make intricate details of the face. Let's make its mouth open. And then make the eyes and the ears. Go very slow while making it and complete it very nicely. If you feel that you're confident enough about your drawing, you can draw this a little darker as well. Yes, so that it's fair. Make this little bump right here and then go ahead with making this smooth curve for the body. Let's make the second leg at the back and then this in the front. Let's make its paw properly. And then join it to its body. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Make the other one which is overlapped by this one. This looks very interesting. Let's make this leg fair now. This looks great. Let's erase this part now. And make this tail properly once again. This looks lovely. Give it the final finishing touch-ups now. That's perfect. Our skeleton of the cheetah is ready. All we have to do next is start sketching this. It is going to be a very simple process to color this as well. I'm going to tell you this once we are done sketching with this. Sketch this slowly and nicely. And make sure that you do not do any mistake. Sketch right on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire cheetah. Use the tip of your sketch pen to sketch this. And look, the body of the cheetah is done. We need to start erasing all the pencil marks we see. And then comes the fun part. We can take our sketch pen and start making these spots on it. Well, yes, we need to make uneven spots on top of the cheetah's body. All we have to do is start by making these spots on top of its tail at first. Yes, they are going to be a little smaller at first. After that, we will make it on this outline and then near the face. We will try and keep even distance between each spot. After that, we will make uneven spots which are a little bigger as compared to the previous one and make it on top of the entire body. Yes, they can be uneven and of any shape you like. Let's complete this. And look, this is brilliant. The next thing we do is take our yellow colored pencil crayon and start coloring this. Let's go very slow and color right on top of this. It is alright if you color on top of the dots. We are coloring with pencil crayon and that won't be any issue. Complete coloring slowly and nicely. We can also take another color if you wish to. Yes, a little darker shade of yellow. That is going to give us a goldenish effect. Well, this looks much better. Color it with this slowly and nicely. Yes, you can move your book however you like. Go only in one direction after doing the outline. This looks very interesting. Complete coloring this in a similar way. And let's keep this part a little empty and white as that is the belly portion. Once we are done with that, let's do the paw and this part. Make sure you do not leave any white spaces. Let's give this a proper outline. And look, our cheetah is ready to pounce.